I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power the TV and go straight to settings. You need a Xiaomi account only if cloud wallpapers are used, otherwise local options work. Navigate home, select settings, and open device preferences. This groups display controls in one place. Once done, find display or screensaver. That's where the active image is live. Make sure your remote battery works and the TV is connected to Wi-Fi so cloud options and downloads appear. This early step prevents interruptions later. Now you pick the actual screensaver and tweak how it behaves. Select Screensaver, then choose Built-in for presets, Gallery to use your photos, or Cloud for Xiaomi themes. Each option appears for a reason. If you select Gallery, grant storage, or USB access, then select Folders or Albums so images load reliably. Adjust timing, shuffle, and transition effects to control battery and visual flow. Shorter intervals look dynamic, but use more resources. Make selections and preview to confirm the look. Finish by applying settings and watching the preview to ensure everything loaded correctly. Once applied, exit settings and test by letting the TV idle for the timeout you set. Confirm images, transitions, and any overlays display as expected. If the screensaver fails to start, reboot the TV first and recheck storage permissions or Wi-Fi for cloud images. If problems persist, clear the settings app cache or remove and re-add the gallery source. These steps fix common permission and cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.